Hello everyone and welcome to this channel called Barbara Henderson. This is Barbara speaking, and as you can notice, this is a brand new channel with no subscribers and no videos posted yet. So this is going to be my first video today. You're going to notice that this is a little bit long actually, but of course not all of my videos are going to be this long. Don't worry, this is just an introduction. I'm going to just explain to you what this channel is going to be about, but also I'm going to talk in general about some very important topics today. As you can see, I'm going to just post new videos every week, and I hope that you're going to be part of my new journey. So I invite all of you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell on if you want to get notified whenever I'm going to upload those brand new videos. Don't forget to even share this channel with your friends too, if you think that are going to be interested in just subscribing and also watching my videos. I'm going to upload actually different vlogs of my everyday life. I'm going to talk about different important aspects in our life, different topics and so on. So we're going to discuss a lot of things here. We're also going to do some lives where we can communicate actually in real time, and also I'm going to talk about different topics, just like I said before, even finance, business, travel vlogs, also how you can save money, how you can travel on a budget, and how you can make money online and so on. So very different things, just like I mentioned even before. Something that I want to mention right away is that in today's video I want to show you how you can, for example, start on YouTube. Let's say that you want to just start making money with a YouTube channel, your YouTube videos and so on, and I want to show you how you can do that. But before that, I want to show you like the most important parts of it. You of course need to set up a channel, and whenever you do that, you need to like create a logo, just like I did over here, create a YouTube banner, which is this one here, but also create those thumbnails for your own videos. And I want to mention that this is not my first time on YouTube. Actually, this is another channel that I've created. I've been on YouTube even some years ago. I just wanted to create a new one to talk about different things in this one here. As I said before, in this video I'm going to just talk about how you can create those designs that are going to be very important when you're going to create a YouTube channel or YouTube videos. And for example, as you may know, thumbnails are very important in those YouTube videos, because the first thing that we see actually is a thumbnail. Then we read the title of the video and then we open it up. We need that thumbnail to just you need the thumbnail to catch your eye, to catch your attention or other people's attention, so they can click on it, they can be interested on it. And you can see that thumbnails can look very different actually. There are some which are very funny, actually entertaining and so on, but there are some others that are just from the video. So you can just see some examples on different thumbnails here or on different YouTube videos. For example, as you can see, there is Mr. Beast appearing here, so I'm going to just open up his account and you can see how his thumbnails look like, and they are pretty awesome actually. They are in high definition, they are pretty funny, and of course they catch your interest. So this is the most important part, that your thumbnail catches the interest, to draw interest to other people, because it is like the one of the most important part to get a lot of clicks, a lot of views, and also subscribers as well. So that's why I'm going to start with thumbnails today. I'm going to show you how you can create some, but also how you can create some logos for your channel and so on. So I want to mention that what you can do actually is to go over to a free website that is going to help us a lot with today's strategy, and this platform is called Canva. This is over at canva.com, and this is a place where you can just create different designs from scratch, or even from their already made templates. You can just check it out by yourself, but also I'm going to give you a proper tutorial to Canva. You can see over here that with this platform you can create logos, flyers, banners, posters, resumes, invitations, business cards, so even meme makers. So it is a platform that you can create anything. Even if you have a business, you can just come over here in order to create things that are related to your business, just like the business card maker or invitation and so on. So you can see over here they also offer some classes, actually, so some tutorials and courses, so you can learn how to use it. But I'm going to explain to you in today's video, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a thumbnail, a logo, or a channel banner. So you can go over even to plans and pricing to see that Canva is absolutely free actually, but also they offer a pro plan and some other plans as well that you can pay if you want to, but this is also for those people that own a business and so on. So if you're going to just create a Canva for yourself, like to use Canva for yourself, like creating some thumbnails and so on, I suggest that you go for the free one because they offer a lot of things, and we're going to check them out in a minute. First of all, I want to show you some features that Canva offers. As you can see, they offer ready-made templates, just like I said before. They are very professional. They offer images, quality content that you can choose from in order to get started and even customize them on your own. It is built for teamwork, so even people that work together can use this platform. It gives you the possibility to share your designs and even download them. Of course, they offer templates for absolutely anything, just like we saw even before. There are resume templates, poster templates, banners, flyers. You can create Instagram posts, Instagram stories with this platform, so there are a lot of templates available. You can see also that you can customize an office template or design something more personal, like an invitation. Let's say that you want to create an invitation for your birthday. You can do it with Canva and with their already made templates. You can click on browse all templates over here. It's going to take you over to this platform, and you can see that you can create posters, logos, presentations too, because they offer animation as well, videos, flyers, cards, also Instagram stories, t-shirts, business cards, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, and so on. You can see what is new and also a lot of other things as well, all of their already made templates. So back to their official or homepage, actually you can even see that you can create your best work together, because it works also for teams, just like we said before. Real-time collaboration. You can plan, create, schedule, and publish your social media posts directly from Canva. They offer team folders to help you stay organized and so on. So I mentioned before that Canva offer a free plan, but also the one that you can pay. You can just click here on Get Canva for free, and you can just see that you need to create an account first of all, but I just want to open it up over here to show you more. So if you go over to Canva free, you can just see that you can create designs for free. You can create amazing visual content with no design experience, because they help you actually with their already made template, and it's very easy to use as well, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. You can also see here that you can create for social media. You can create even presentations, videos, print designs, photo editing, and infographics. So by scrolling down, you're going to see that they have more than 75 millions of monthly active users, and also more than 100 million of content library, and they have created, people here have created more than 8 billions of designs, and it's available in more than 100 of languages. So you can see that you can visualize your ideas with ease. You can create with millions of free assets, because they offer a lot of free things over here. And also you can just scroll down a little bit more to see what you can get for the free plan. For example, you can get more than 250,000 of free templates. You can just use the editor part for easy customizations. They offer more than 100 design types, more than 1 million of free photos and graphics. You can invite others over here, and 5 GB of cloud storage, because you're going to have all of your designs stored over here. Even if you don't download them, you can still have them over to your account and Canva. You can see over here that Canva for Teams offers like some other things as well. You can just read them all over here. This is also for people that work together, and that's why it costs like $150 for a year for the first 5 people. So as you can see, they offer a lot of things over here for other people as well that want to work together. So what I want to mention is that you can even just check out Canva by your own here to read all of these features, but I want you to just start right away with creating a design. So first of all, I want to mention that they even help you to create like some mugs or t-shirts and so on. And if you click on mugs, it's going to take you over to this place, and you can see that you can print your perfect mug. You can create your own one. You can click on just create a custom mug, or even select one of these already made templates. It's going to take you over to the editor page over here, and you can see that you can select the templates right away. For example, you want this one, just click on it, and they're going to just show you how it looks over at a mug. So if you want to, you can download it and you can get it a design that you can just print over a mug. So it's pretty awesome actually to even get this kind of features, besides just creating some thumbnails or logos and so on, those kind of designs as well. So I'm closing this one for the moment, and I'm going to show you how you can create something else. Actually, I'm going to show you how you can just create a logo design. For example, you want a logo design for your YouTube channel. Just let me open it up once again so I can show you. So this is my YouTube channel, and you want to create a logo for it. So it depends also on what category and what kind of posts are going to be on your YouTube channel for you to create the perfect logo. And I'm going to just take an example, of course. So let's say you are here at Canva and you want to create that logo. What you need to do is to just go over to the search bar up here, and you can search for logo. You can write it by yourself, or just click on logo over here. It's going to take you over here to the editor page, but of course you can check out all of the templates in the left hand side. And just let me just give you like a tutorial of Canva over here, what you can see. So you're going to notice that Canva offers you a lot of templates, first of all, that you can already click over here, and it's going to be like implemented on your design. For example, this one over here. Or you can even just go back with this undo button, and you can search on the search bar for any category that comes in your mind. You can just search for food, house, gaming. As you can see, there are some suggestions over here. Or if your logo is going to be about business, you can search business, and it's going to give you some ideas over here. You can even filter your sections here, your searches, for example, by language, or you can even change the color and so on. So if you want to create it from scratch, you can go over to elements, and as you can see, they offer a lot of elements over here, even some that are animated, from lines and shapes, graphics, stickers, photos, videos, charts, tables, frames, and so on. And you can search for anything that comes in your mind, from circle, line, star, frame, heart, and so on. So just search for something here on finance, for example, even an abstract concept, and they're going to give you like an icon, a graphic, are going to give you an element related to that, but even photos and videos. So in the upload button, you can upload image, video, or even audio track from your own computer, and you can upload your own video over here, your own image, and so on, which is a nice addition, because maybe you want to upload something from your computer, your own photo, for example, to create it here on the design. Over at the text section, you can see that you can add some heading, subheading. You can see that there are some font combinations as well, so they are already made, and you can just use them if you want. For example, I'm going to click on this one, and for each of these tags you can just change, for example, the font of it. As you can see, there are hundreds of fonts here available. You can even search them by name in the search bar. For example, I'm going to click on this one. As you can see, it's going to change the font, and also you you can change the size of it, you can change the color of it, as you can see over here, and then you can even go back, just like I said before, by undoing all of your changes if you want. So this text doesn't have bold or italic available, but there are some text that has it, so you're going to be able to click on them. Also, you can just redirect here your text how you want to be. Also, you can even put some numbers. Also, you can see that they offer letter spacing and line spacing as well if you want to change it, of course. And you can even check out over here that they offer some effects for each of the texts. So you can see over here that this one here has the glitch effect. You can even change it if you want to. You can customize it. You can put the neon one, the background one, echo, hollow, and so on. They offer a lot of features for the text as well. You can curve it, for example, like this, and so on. So it's pretty awesome actually. It offers a lot of things available for your text as well. So you can see over here on the 3 lines that you can even change the position, you can animate it if you want to, and you can even underline it. So if you want to create like a video presentation, you can of course animate your text, but even some elements that you're going to put over here, not only the text. So you can just choose the one that you want and choose the free ones, because the ones with the crown on it are for the pro plan, so you need to pay for that. So I highly recommend that you use the free ones, as you can see. So this is pretty much about the text. You can go over to the more section to see that they offer photos, audios, videos, background, charts as well, and styles. So you can just click and select one of these styles and it's going to customize it automatically. So this is about this section. You're going to just see more about it once you're going to start working with it by your own. You can even put notes over here. You can resize this one, you can zoom it, of course, and on the download button you're going to just click on download over here and it's going to be immediately downloaded on your computer. But if you want to store all of your designs on your account, so you can even edit them after some times, you can just go over to the signing button to create an account for free. You can continue with your Google account, Facebook account, or your email, and you can just see that you can put your email address over here and then going to start with it, or just click on continue. Another way, they offer you the possibility to start with these other platforms as well: Google, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, and Clever. So this is about this part. Of course, I'm going to show you right away how you can create a logo design. I'm going to just delete this one and going over to templates once again. So let's say, for example, that our logo design is going to be, about gaming. As you can see, they offer a lot of already made templates over here, and you can choose the one that you like the most. For example, I'm going with this one here. As you see, it looks pretty awesome actually, but of course you can change it if you want to. And I'm going to click here on the background and I can change the color of the background. For example, I can go even over here to select the one that I want the most, and I'm going to just go with this one over here. And then you can even search for the elements over here and start searching for game, because you can even delete the things that are available here. For example, you can just delete this one and add this other one as well, so it looks like this. And you can just see that there is a name over here, and you can just change it related to the name of your YouTube channel. For example, I'm just going to put the name of my YouTube channel, which is also my name actually, but I want to just show you how it's going to look like. This is just an example. I'm going to paste it over here, and this is how it's going to look like. For example, you of course going to put your YouTube channel name, and of course you can change the other things as well. You can put some spheres over here if you want to. You can change the colors of these spheres over here. It's pretty simple to use actually, and I highly recommend that you give it a try. You can just customize the already made templates just like I did, or just create one from scratch. It depends on you actually. So it's going to look pretty much like this. As you can see, it's a nice logo. You can just customize it however you want. I just wanted to show you an example. Of course, you can put more time and effort into it so it can look more professional, of course. So this is all about this part. Of course, I'm going to just download it right now by clicking on the download button in the upper right corner. Then you're going to just click download once again, and in order to be able to do that, you can, and as you can see, it's going to be immediately downloaded on your computer. As you can see, it looks pretty awesome actually. You can just upload it right away over at your new YouTube channel. So I'm going to close this one for the moment. You can see over here that they suggest you to create an account, of course, and I highly recommend you do that. It's absolutely free. So this is how you can create a logo. Of course, you can even search for another topic as well. You can search for finance, let's say, and it's going to just give you a lot of ready-made templates. For example, this one here. And what I like about this is that since I've written my name even before, they're going to implement it here. For example, even if you choose another one as well, they are going to put my name over here since I write it at first, so it's going to be automatically done. For example, I really like this one here. I can just customize it a little bit, as you can see. And then I'm going to just even change the one over here, because as you can see, it is a paid icon. So I'm going to remove it since I don't want to pay for it. I'm going over to elements and search for finance or even growth. For example, I'm going to search for growth, and then I'm going over to graphics, just scroll a little bit down, and I'm going to just put this icon over here. As you can see, it looks pretty good. Of course, you can change even the font of the text if you want to by going over to the fonts over here, and I'm going to just leave it like this for the moment. And it looks pretty awesome. As you can see, you can just download it there for absolutely free once again. So there is no limit to how much designs you can make here in Canva. That's why I highly recommend you download it. So this is a pretty good logo actually. You can even make money with this logo. If you want to just start selling some logos, you can go over to different freelancing websites and just create your services over there. For example, you're going to create a service or a gig where you create logos and sell them, and your customer is going to contact you saying that they want like a logo for their business, and of course you're going to create one here with Canva. As you can see, it's pretty awesome, and with the ready-made templates it helps you a lot to give you an idea. So this is how we can create a logo. We're going to just proceed right away with a YouTube banner. So as you can see, I have this one here. It's very simple, but you can create some other ones as well, since Canva offers you some already made templates. What you're going to do is to go back over to their homepage on Canva and search for YouTube channel logo. As you can see, just to select it, and it's going to bring you over to, oh sorry, this is the channel logo, the one that I was just talking about right now. As you can see, they even give you some ideas for the logo of your channel. I was creating one by searching only logo, but they even give you ideas for specifically YouTube channel logos. Pretty awesome actually. I didn't know that Canva offers you this possibility too. So you can just select YouTube banner for our next step, and I'm going to just show you how you can create one YouTube channel banner. So you can see here all of the ready-made templates. They look pretty awesome actually. For example, I'm going to select this one here, and you can even change the style if you want by clicking on these other colors as well. So for example, I'm going to let this one here. You can change a lot of things over here. You can put your own picture, you can put the name of your channel, and also your logo or here, or your slogan, for example. So let's say that your channel is going to be about makeup. So I'm going to just search makeup over here, and as you can see, it gives you a lot of examples. I really like this one actually. So for example, I'm going to just write here my name actually, which is also my YouTube name. As you can see, makeup tutorial with Barbara Henderson, and I can even add another text as well. For example, I can write watch new videos weekly, so I can just write it over here. I can resize this a little bit. I can even change the font, of course, and I'm going to choose another one. For example, this one right here. I can put it over here. As you can see, it looks pretty awesome actually, but if you want to change the color of it, you can just search some other text, some other styles as well. I can go over to styles and I can just select them, and they are going to give some other colors to the font. Of course, I'm going to do that automatically. They can even change the font as well, but I do like the first one actually, so I'm going to leave this one for the moment. But of course, you can even delete this picture if you want to put some other makeup pictures. You can go over to elements and search for makeup, for example, just like this, and go over to photos, and you can just search one of these other pictures as well. So you can even just choose the one that you want. As you can see, there are some high definition pictures as well. So of course, choose the one that are for free, not the pro one, so you can just get them for free. You don't need to pay for anything. And actually, I want to mention that you can go over to the filter section, and you can even click on animation or static or square, so it depends on you how you want that design to be. So for example, I'm going to choose one of these photos, and this one, I really like this one, and I'm going to just move the text so it can look better like this. And as you can see, I've just created like a YouTube banner. It looks pretty awesome actually. I just can download it and I'm going to upload it over here, and it's going to look pretty awesome actually. And you're going to upload it by just clicking over to this icon. So just click on the download button once again, and then click download, and it's going to be immediately downloaded on your computer just like this. You can open it up and it's going to look pretty professional actually. So I highly recommend that you give it a try whenever you want to create a YouTube banner or also thumbnail or a logo and so on. So you can create the perfect the design over here with Canva. So as you can see, you can do the same thing with other pictures as well. You can use them for free and you can upload them over to your YouTube channel. So this is how you can create a YouTube banner. It's pretty awesome actually, and of course very easy too, as you can see. I'm going to show you how you can now create a YouTube thumbnail. So I showed you how you can create a logo for your YouTube channel, a YouTube banner, and right now I want to show you how you can create a YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to close this one, and I'm going to proceed here over at the home page and just search for YouTube thumbnail. As you can see, it is available over here. It's going to take me over to the editor page, and as you can see, they also give a lot of ready-made templates. Look how awesome they look. And of course, if you think about it, you of course going to click in one of these videos if you see one of these templates as well. That's why I highly recommend that you use Canva in order to create your YouTube thumbnails. So as you can see, if you want your YouTube channel to be about your business tips, you can just click in one of these. You can even delete some of these icons or the photos that they suggest you, and you can just upload different ones. For example, I'm going over to elements and search for money, or you can search for finance, for business, and so on. And you can go over here to all of these pictures which look pretty awesome actually, and you can find the free one or even those graphics that look pretty awesome. So you can just add one of these to your design up here, and it's going to just create your own YouTube thumbnail. But of course you can even create one from scratch. So I'm going to just go back actually, and I'm going to leave it on blank for the moment, so I can just show you how you can create a YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to just search for over at the elements actually for gradient, because I really love those colors like this, and I'm going to just put it over to my design, or I'm going to just select this other one. And after that I'm going over to the text part, and I'm going to just search or just write how to create thumbnails. So let's say I'm going to create a thumbnail for my today's video, and since I'm explaining to you how to create thumbnails, I'm just going to create a thumbnail on how to create thumbnails, as you can see. So I'm going to change the color of it. I'm going to leave it on white actually, and I'm going to resize it a little bit. Then I'm going to change the text of it. I'm going to search for a font that I really like actually, which is this one here. I'm going to go over to line spacing or letter spacing actually. Then you can go over to effects, and you can even search for like echo. I'm going to choose the black one. Then I'm going to search actually for a Canva icon. So I'm creating this design with Canva, and I want to just put the Canva icon over here, for example this one, and I'm going to leave it over there. As you can see, you can even find some other ones as well. I want to just search this one. Then I'm going to write something else. I'm going over to text, add the subheading as well, and write like full tutorial, since I'm giving you like a tutorial on how to create some thumbnails. Going to resize it a little bit over here. You can even go up here, of course. I'm going maybe to change a little bit the color of it. I'm going to leave it here for the moment, but I can change it even later, of course. I'm going to search for a YouTube icon right now, since this is a YouTube video, and I'm going to just add it over here. So this is about how to create thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Then I'm going to just right click, so I can just find like an arrow or mouse. I can even just search for mouse, and I'm going to just select static because I don't want them moving. So I'm just putting this one here. Like this. And then I can search for some other things as well, for example for a star, so I can add some icons, for example, or that, so it can look more professional or more fun. Then I'm going to just search for, I'm going to show you, for example, that I have this icon here on my YouTube banner, so I can even put it over there. I can search, for example, I'm going to go back over here. I can search for message, since as you can see, Truth with Barbara is my slogan, so I'm going to just put this design over there. Just let me grab this up here, and once I clicked on message, you can see here that it's giving me a lot of examples. So this is how you can create a simple YouTube thumbnail by yourself. Of course, you can add a lot of other things, a lot of other icons as well. It depends on you. You can just simply download it then on your computer, and you can upload it to your video once you're going to upload your video, your first video, for example, on YouTube. So this is how it's going to look like. It looks pretty awesome with high quality as well. So that's why I recommend you use Canva for this purpose. So once again, I want to mention what we did till now. I want to just give you like some other tips as well. So for example, what we went through today, and I showed you how you can create, for example, mugs, some designs for mugs if you want to with Canva, because they give you that possibility. You can search for mugs over here and they give you some already made templates as well. You can even create your own. I showed you that Canva is free, of course, you can use it for free, but you can even go for the other plans as well. They offer a pro plan and also for teams. So for one that works together, you can use this one here, this plan, and you can split the price together, of course. But of course, if you want to just use Canva for your own purposes, for your personal purposes, you can just click on the free one to see all of the features that you can get with the free plan. So I just presented to you how you can create some designs on Canva. Also, I showed you the editor part. Of course, in the left hand side there are a lot of features that Canva offers, from already made templates that you can search even for a particular keyword on the search bar in order for Canva to give you some suggestions. For the element part, I showed you all of the things that you can find, from graphics, videos, all those audios, photos and so on, frames. You can even upload your own videos, images. You can upload some text over here. You can write something or just get one of these already made templates from fonts. You can go over to more and you can see the photos that they give you. You can search for particular keywords for each of the things that you want. Actually, they offer you styles, audios, videos, background and charts as well. So I showed you how you can just create a logo design related to your YouTube channel, for example, how you can create a logo design related to a YouTube channel of gaming, because it depends on what your content is going to be about. How to create a logo design related to finance. And as you can see, if you want to just create a logo design for the profile picture that you're going to have here on your YouTube channel, you can of course search here on Canva for YouTube channel logo. They are going to give you a lot of suggestions and already made templates. Of course, I even showed you how you can create YouTube banners just like this one, which is very simple, but I showed you how you can create some pretty good looking one, just like one for the makeup channel, for example. So I gave you a lot of different ideas for different YouTube channels like finance, business. So it depends on what category you're going to post in. Also, I showed you how you can create a simple thumbnail from scratch, not only from the ready-made templates, but even from scratch, just like this one that I created right now that you are seeing in the video. Of course, I just showed you all of the things, very important to Canva if you want to just create a brand and fresh new brand new channel on YouTube, and all of the important things that you need to add over there. So from the logo design, the thumbnails, which are very important because they make people click on your video and it can grow the number of your viewers and the subscribers, and the YouTube channel banner as well. So these are very important features actually, and if, of course, it's even available for beginners because they help you with all of the already made templates, so anyone can do this. And I want to mention something that I even mentioned a little bit before. I told you that you can make money with those logo designs. I told you that you can go over to some freelancing websites and you can start selling some logo designs. People can just hire you to create a logo design for their business. But another thing that you can just make money online, another way actually that you can use these designs to make money, is through this platform called Redbubble. This is over at redbubble.com. This is a platform just like Amazon, where you come to buy different things, just like phone cases, masks, stickers, clothing, wall art, home and living, accessories, pets, and so on. So there are a lot of things that you can find over here, a lot of products that you can purchase, and you can make money actually with this platform other than buying things. And the way that you're going to make money with it are by just selling your designs. And what you can do, so you can just create a simple design and you're going to upload it over to here to your store, because you can create your own store, and whenever someone buys a product with your design in it, you're going to get your own commission. So just go over to sell your art up here and you can see more information about it. You can see that this is a really well-established community actually, when you can sell your art printed on high quality products to a global audience as well. You can see that you can find your own fans from all over the world, and also they can buy anything that they want, and you're going to get paid because they're going to have the designs on it, your designs. You can see how it works. You're going to just upload your designs to products in your shop. Customers find and purchase products they love featuring your designs, and then Redbubble is going to take care of everything else. They're going to just produce the order, ship it around the world, and when the customer gets the product, of course you're going to get paid, which is pretty awesome. So they can get a product. There are more than 70 unique products actually, and your design can be on more than 70 products, which is pretty awesome actually. You can join thousands of successful artists over here, and you're going to be your own boss. You can have complete control over what you earn with the flexible pricing. They offer anti-piracy and watermark features to protect your designs, and world-class support for your customers as well. So you don't need to take care of anything rather than just uploading your designs. And I showed you how you can create simple designs here on Canva, and since I showed you even at the beginning that you can create designs for mugs, for example, and mugs are selling over at Redbubble, so you can create a simple design related to mugs over here. You can just go over to the mugs section and you can just find some icons, for example, related to coffee and so on, or tea, and you can create a simple design and start selling it at Redbubble. So this is a tip that I give you in order for you to make money online. If you are interested, of course, it is a nice way to start as a beginner. So right now I'm done with this part. I want to mention some other things related to your YouTube channel. If you are a beginner, of course, I mentioned you how you can just set up your YouTube channel with those logo designs and also the thumbnails and so on. And right now, of course, you are, for example, creating your first video. And what you need for your first video, you need like an editing software. Of course, you need an editing software because you're going to create that video. You're going to just put some text over it and so on. You're going to just post the video over there to your YouTube channel, and in order to start editing your video you need a software. And I've searched here on Google for top 5 video editing softwares, and I'm going to give you a lot of examples over here, a lot of suggestions. For example, this article over here, it gives you a lot of names, and you can even open up the article if you want to, and you can read all of the article to find the best one that is available for beginners and for free if you want to, because maybe you don't need to spend any money at all. So one of these softwares, editing softwares that I use is called it's called Sorry Vegas. I was saying Canva. It's called Sony Vegas, and I've downloaded here on my computer, and this is the one that I use for my videos, because since I said even before that I used to do YouTube some years ago, so this is not my first time. And Sony Vegas is the one that I use. It's very simple actually. You can just do some simple editing if you want to. You're going to just upload up here your video that you have screen recorded, for example, of the video that you have recorded yourself and you want to post it over here. You can just edit, and then you're going to just drag it over to this part, which is going to be the editor part, and then you can just start selecting the parts that you want, and you can edit them, you can trim that, you can delete them, you can cut them, anything that you want. And then you're going to just select all of your work over here, and you're going to save it for free. I'm going to move this up here, and you can see the other parts as well. You can see the file part, you can save it, you can render it, so you can have the whole video and you can upload it over to YouTube. You can edit it as well, you can insert text, of course, and so on. And this part over here, which is black for the moment, is the part where you're going to see the preview of your video. You can see over here, you can click on the play button and you can just see your video, what you have recorded over here. And speaking of recording, of course it depends on you if you want to record yourself or you want to just screen record, just like I'm doing right now. And the thing is that of course you need to screen record for this purpose. It also depends on the content that you are going to create on your video. And what you can do is to go over to Google once again and search for top 5 screen recorder for PC. Once again, I'm going to give you a lot of articles that you can open up, and you can find some of them just like ScreenFlow, Screencast-O-Matic, Bandicam, Filmoras, or you can open up one of these articles. You can read all of the features for each of those screen recorders, and you can open them up to see how they look like, if you can download them for free, and so on. And I recommend that you use Bandicam if you want to. As you can see, it's over at bandicam.com actually, and it's free to download. That's why I recommend you this one if you are a beginner. You can see over here that you can record anything actually. I even offer you the possibility of a webcam recorder. So as I said before, it depends on you. It is a screen recorder as well and a game recorder. So you can just give it a try. You can see over here once again, this is a screen recorder, game recorder, and webcam recorder. And of course, if you want to know what screen recorder I'm using for the moment, is this one here called Ocam. And you can read up here and you can see that I'm recording for the moment. So you can even check it out over at YouTube, of course, to see how this one works. So with that said, this was about the screen recorders. I'm going to give you another platform that I think that it's going to benefit you a lot. As you can see in this video, I'm talking in general about all of these platforms that are going to just help you through your journey on YouTube if you want to create a YouTube channel, for example. And this one here is called Pexels. This is over at pexels.com. Here on Pexels you can find the best free stock photos and also royalty-free images and videos shared by talented creators. And the thing is that you can search for free content actually, and they look pretty awesome. They are in high definition and you can download them for absolutely free on your computer by clicking on this arrow. That's why I love this platform, because you don't need to pay anything and you can use it for your own purposes as well. As you can see, it is immediately downloaded on my computer. So this is a very awesome platform that you can use to find some content over here. For example, if you want to, you can search for like money. If of course it's going to be about finance, your channel is going to be about finance, and you can find a lot of photos and videos as well. So you can download them for absolutely free on your computer, and you can implement them in your video too. You want to, you are talking actually, let's say an example, and you want to add like an example. You can just select this video or another one. You can put it over to here on your editor software, and you can create your own videos beside the one that you have recorded, of course. So this is a nice way to make a very professional looking video. So I highly recommend that you give it a try. Or for example, if you want to create something at Canva and you want to add the photo, just like I said you even before, you can go over to the upload section and you can add videos and photos over here. And of course what you can do is to upload them over here, and you can of course download them from Pexels. They give you the possibility to download them for free. And I said even before that Canva offers free photos over here, but if you don't like any of them, of course you can just download the one that you like. Here you can search for any topic on over at Pexels. I search for money just to give you an example. And if you want free images as well, you can go over to Google and search for free images. They give you a lot of websites where you can just find these free images, just like this platform called Free Images itself, and Splash, Pexels.com, which is the one that I'm just presenting you right now, which offers copyright-free pictures, Pixabay as well, and so on. So these are some kinds of platforms that gives you the possibility to download some free images. And as I said before, you can implement these images or videos over to your editing process. Actually, you can just add them over to your video. And what you can do else is even search for YouTube actually, because you want to add something related to YouTube. You want to create a YouTube intro, let's say. You can search for YouTube over here, and there are giving you a lot of images and videos related to that, especially videos. For example, this one says subscribe, so you can implement it over to your channel, your intro. You are starting a video, you want to say people that they can subscribe to your channel, you can use this clip over here. So it's pretty awesome actually. As you can see, there are a lot of them, and you can just download them for free and copyright free as well on your computer to just implement them over to your video, and you can edit them over here at Sony Vegas or any other editing software that you're going to use. Of course, it depends on you. I want to show you even an example. If you go over to YouTube, you can see that some of these videos are not screen recording or even talking to a camera. Actually, this video here is just like some animations, as you can see. So there are a lot of videos like this, and they are very popular as well. So you can do the same thing, and Pexels.com or even some other platforms similar to this one can help you for that purpose. You can just download these videos over here and just add them together, and you can create your own video like this. You don't need to screen record or to just record yourself in a camera. So it depends on you and also on the content that you are going to create, of course. So I want to mention something else which is very important for YouTube, and that's YouTube monetization, because of course I talked about all of these things, but your main reason that you are starting YouTube it may be that you want to get paid, of course. And what you need to do in order to learn more about the monetization policy is to go over to your channel on your YouTube studio, and then you're going to just see over in the left hand side all of the categories. Just go over to the monetization one, and you're going to see over here that as a YouTube partner you'll be eligible to earn money from your videos and get creator support as well. But in order to be a YouTube partner, there are some things required here. You need to meet the criteria listed below, as you can see, and you just need to have, first of all, 1,000 of subscribers. I have 0 for the moment, of course, and I need to have 1,000 subscribers in order to be able to get monetized, as well as 4,000 of public watch hours. I need to turn on the two-step verification, and also to have 0 active community guideline strikes. So you are ineligible if you have active strikes. So make sure, for example, to not go against their policy and so on, to not just get content from other people and post it over here, because you can get copyright issues as well, and you can get banned. And you can even go over to YouTube monetization policies, and you can learn more about it. You can see that this is the YouTube help section. You can see that what they check when they review your channel, and they check, for example, the main theme, what your content is going to be about, your most viewed videos, the newest videos, the biggest proportion of watch time, and video metadata as well, which includes titles, thumbnails, and descriptions. So I even told you before how to create those thumbnails, because they are very important to get more views and subscribers, but also YouTube is going to check that whenever they are going to review your channel for monetization. So of course you can come over here to read more information about it, to help with some issues that may affect you as well. But bear in mind that the most important things are to just get sorry, I'm going back here once again, to get 1,000 of subscribers, 4,000 of public watch hours, to turn on the two-step verification, and to have 0 active community guideline strikes. And if you want to get notified when you're going to be like eligible for this, you can see here that they offer you the possibility to get notified. Just click on it, and whenever you're going to get monetized, of course, you're going to get notified from YouTube itself. So this was about the YouTube monetization. Of course, this is a very important part, because we all start YouTube in order to generate some income from it. Of course, it may be for fun, but also it's pretty good to see that you can get paid for something that you really love to do. And that's why I wanted to cover this part as well. So if you want me to cover other parts as well about YouTube, also about this YouTube studio here, so I can explain to you everything about it, you can just leave a comment down below and let me know if you want to see this in another video as well. And I'm going to, of course, do a specific video related to that. This video was about different aspects, but if you want me to go through each one of them in singular videos, I can do them and I can just explain to you even more about these things and go in specifics, of course. And the last thing that I want to do actually is to just show you how you can create a YouTube channel, a banner here, just like this one here. I want to recreate mine actually, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. It's very simple. This one I showed you how to create some difficult ones, but this is going to be very simple, and you can start even with this one. So if you remember, what you need to do is go over to canva.com and search for YouTube banner. It's going to take you over immediately to the editor page where you can find different templates, but I want to do my own. I'm going to click here on the blank, and I'm going to just click on the background color icon, so I can just search and select black, because as you can see, mine is black over here. Then what I need you to do is to just go over to the text part. I'm going to add the heading, and I'm going to just write truth with Barbara. So I do not remember exactly what kind of font I've used for it, but I'm just going to recreate it with some other fonts as well. So I'm just going to write over here truth with Barbara. And then I'm going to drag this a little bit higher, and as you can see, I've written watch new videos weekly, so I'm going to write that here. And then I'm going to just activate the italics section over here, and as you can see, I also have this icon, so I'm going to just do that. I'm going to go over to my design and search here over at elements actually for message, just like I did even before, and as you can see, there are a lot of them over here. This one, as you can see, it's black, that's why I'm not seeing it for the moment. I'm going to change the color of it, and I'm going to select the white one, just like this. Let me drag it and just leave some space for this icon as well. So as you can see, it looks pretty much the same. And something else I want to show you actually is that you can flip this icon as well. As you can see, you can flip it like this, and it's going to be the same with this one here. So you can flip any icon and any text that you want actually, which is a nice addition, and you can even animate them or crop them as well. And I want to leave it like this for a moment. So once I'm done, I'm going to just click on the download button, and by clicking on the download button, I'm going to have it on my PC as well. So you can see it over here that it looks like this. And right now what I need to do, of course, is to just upload it over to my YouTube channel banner over here by clicking on this part, on this icon, and it's simple as that. I can even recreate the logo of this of my YouTube profile picture. Of course, I can just go over to the logo design or YouTube channel logo, of course, and after that, as you can see, the color of the background is purple, so I'm just going to select the purple one. I don't know exactly the color of it. Of course, I can change it over here. It is a little bit brighter actually, so I'm going to leave it like this. Then I can add the text, and of course it's just a bit, this is a simple, I decided to go for a simple design actually. I can maybe change it in the future too. And then I'm going to make it white, of course. I do not remember the font of it, but I know that it's white, just like this. And then over that element, I can just select and just write stars. And as you can see, there are a lot of them. I've just put it one over the B over here, and I'm going to find one similar. Maybe I cannot find the exact same one, but it's this one here, I guess. I'm going to drag it over here, And as you can see, just like this, I created the design, the logo design that I have on my YouTube profile picture. It's simple as that. Of course, I can even change the font, but I do not remember which one is the same one, so I'm going to leave the one that it was before on default. Then just click on the download button, and that's it. It's going to be downloaded on my computer right away. As you can see, I can show you all of the things that we created today with Canva by going over to the download section and open up all of the photos over there. So it's pretty awesome actually to see that what you can do with this platform, how you can create a lot of designs from scratch, but even through these already made templates that look pretty awesome actually, and can just make you have a very professional YouTube channel. So I highly recommend that you give it a try if you are new on YouTube and you want to create this a brand new YouTube channel. You can just choose Canva for the purpose to create all of the designs that are needed, and then use Canva throughout all of your journey to create those YouTube thumbnails. So this was it about today's video, guys. It is a long video actually, but don't worry, because as I said even before, not all of the videos are going to be this long. I'm going to start posting short videos actually, and you can watch new videos weekly. Just let me know in the comments down below what kind of content you want to see in the future, if you want me to speak in specifics about these platforms that I mentioned today, and if you want to learn more about how to make money online with Canva, with those designs that you can create for free actually. So you can see in specifics how you can create some accounts over at freelancing websites, or how you can just start making money with Redbubble as well. I mentioned it even before. You can just start selling your designs, but of course, if you want to go into details, I can of course do that. So let me know in the comments down below, and also I want to know if you like this video, and of course I want to know where are you watching this video. Let me know the country, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel Barbara Henderson, because you need to support me actually in my new journey. And you can of course just click on the notification bell, and you can get notified whenever I'm going to upload brand new videos, just like these ones, which are going to be shorter, but if you want to, even longer. So it depends also on your desire, because I'm going to just post the content that my subscribers are going to like the most. As I said before, I'm going to cover different aspects and topics of life we're going to discuss together as well. That's why I'm going to upload different content as well. So with that said, guys, this is it. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next videos as well. Bye.